Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today is a little sad video because something has happened to the Octavia and I don't know, out of nowhere honestly. Yesterday everything was alright. Actually we went for a drive as well in this car, but I don't know why today suddenly something happened. Now I'm going to show you exactly what happened. I've called roadside assistance already, so they're going to come pick up the car soon and then obviously take it to the service center, blah blah blah. But at least from what I can tell, I'm going to show you what has happened. So I'll just get this car opened up and show you what happened. So I'll just open up the car to show you what exactly is happening. So inside, all good, nothing wrong. But this is where it gets interesting. Open the bonnet. You can see me in the glass. Open the bonnet up. There we go. So it's all latched up. This is the car and this is the damage. You look at this and it's eroded. If you look closely there, you see that? It's eroded. I don't know how this happened. Could be rat damage, could be anything to be honest, but it's really sad. And in fact it worked perfect yesterday, so I don't know what. I'm pretty sure it was a stupid rat. So how we figured it out is in the morning I started the car and there were some crazy vibrations and noises, and out of nowhere in fact. So I was like, what is wrong? So I thought I'll open the bonnet and then start the car. And then I saw this mess right here and the thing was like going all over the place. Thank God I switched off the car in time and hopefully no further damage happened. But of course I'll update you once the guys come here to tow the car. But I thought that I should show you what exactly is happening. I don't know why. And I guess it's rats. I hope nothing else has been eaten up, chewed up. Man, what to do? Because of the rainy season, these rats basically sit inside the car, I guess. So they get bored and chew up wires. I don't know how they work. But yeah, luckily nothing severe yet. It's going to go to the service center and they're going to check it up. So I'll update you once the towing guys come and once I go to the service center and check out what exactly has happened. So, see you guys. So guys, the car's just gone. Sadly, but yeah, I'll let you know what happens once I hear from the service center and I'll keep you posted. I'm kind of sad, I'm not happy.
One eternity later.
Guys, welcome back. So it's been a few days. It's actually been 3 days now since I've given the car, and now I'm going to go and pick it up because sadly it took some time and there were some further complications which I will show you in a while. I'm just getting there, so see you there. So guys, I've just reached. I'm on my way walking to the service center. And yeah, so sadly rat has bitten more than expected. Initially I thought it was only the fan belt or drive belt, whatever you like to call it. But now it was much more than that. It's also some electrical wires from the main engine loom. So stick around to the end of the video, so I'll show you exactly what damage has happened and I'll show you the parts, hopefully, if they've still kept it. So yeah, now it's time to see the car. So guys, just picked up the car. Car's looking amazing, clean, sparkling actually. No, it's not sparkling, but it's looking really good, clean. Everything is sorted. Now once I get home, it's a mess out here. So once I get home, I'm going to explain exactly what work was done and how, what kind of damage occurred. It should be interesting. So stay tuned. Once I get home, I'll show it to you. See you guys. I absolutely love this weather, man. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So guys, I just reached home, finally got the car. Very satisfied with the work which has been done. But of course I wanted to show you exactly what happened to the car. So first I want to show you the old fan belt which they've given me actually. So come back and I'll show you. So this is what happened to the fan belt. It's basically, so it gets cut at one point, bitten or whatever by the rat at one particular point, and now because it was used and we didn't realize. What happened?
That I'm just seeing it. It's insane.
Yeah, man. So basically it gets bitten at one point and then you continue using it. Obviously we didn't realize it was bitten. So then it just kept coming off and off and off and off, and then it just gave up. So when I saw it, and I've shown you in the start of the video, basically it had slipped off the wheels, and yeah, this is what it is now. It's like a huge thing hanging. Anyway, so I told them to keep it so I can show you all. Now I'll show you the wires which were cut down here on the bonnet. So if you look closely, okay, so that's the new fan belt right here, which is good. If you look closely here, that's the new fan belt right there, newly installed. It says VW. And this is what the wire, this is the wire which got damaged right here. If you look closely, they've actually taped it up and fixed it for me, which is a good thing, better than changing the whole thing. So basically this is the main wire, which is the whole wiring harness for the whole engine from the ECU. So it was a pretty important wire which had got eaten up, chewed up rather, but luckily only few so it's a big harness, so only few of them got chewed up luckily, so that's good. And yeah, so that's about it. Now the car's working fine and I'm really happy. Back to normal, things are looking good, so I just thought I'd share this with you, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And I'm also going to update you all on what I do to prevent rats from going into this car. I'm still looking for solutions, so if you have any solutions, please do comment down below. I'm still looking around, so let's see. And yeah, thank you for joining me. Cheers, and please do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, like this video, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any other videos in the future. Cheers.